Okay, so I'm working on refurbishing this horn button, and the problem I had, I'll see if you can pick up on it. You see there's a lot of little bumps here. That's basically, I believe the underlying substrate is like a thin sheet of aluminum or some thin tin or something like that. So I get it focused better. Now you can see it pretty clearly there. See, there you go. So what I did was I used a woodworking tool, sharpened up real well, scraped right along that, including going along the back side and kind of to level out all that stuff, and basically scraped all that down, all that corrosion, which is exposed, the copper plating, the chrome plating, whatever. So the next part of that was I used the same tool, except I wrapped it with a piece of a 500 grit, so I could use it as a sanding tool, just basically to scrub along the bottom of that and smooth that out as good as possible. Then I had to put several coats of primer, because for some reason the paint fish-eyed real bad all around those little spots, even though I had them completely cleaned with prep cleaner and all that kind of stuff. So I don't know why the fish-eyeing was happening, but whatever it was, it was. So I hit about 3 coats, very light coats of primer. Let it dry each, a little bit between each coat. I didn't sand anything because I'm just going for a matte finish anyway. And then just sprayed the whole thing. When I sprayed it, I didn't bother to try to mask off that. I masked off obviously the horn button part, but I let the overspray go right on top of the chrome bits. And then I used the same tool, this here, to basically scrape the chrome bits off. Now the Datsun's a little bit tougher. That was kind of messed up, and I can't describe. It was kind of a green. I don't know. It was messed up. So what I did was I just went ahead and lightly sanded that with some 500 and 1000 grit. I'm going to go ahead and paint right over it because it's too hard to do it otherwise. And then go back in and fill it in with this. So I've already done that this once. I've already filled in this part here, and it came out fine. I didn't mask over this. This part here was not masked on the bottom side here. So I just painted it, and then I filled it back in after scraping it off with this. So I'll do the same here. I'll just paint right over the Datsun, scrape off what I can with the scraping tool, and then I'll fill in anything that's a mess with this. Or I might just go over this. I think this silver ink might actually work better on the freshly painted surface than on the scraped off. So I'll try it both ways and see. But I think the result is definitely worth it. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's a lot better than it was. You can see the difference right there. And this might improve. I guess that's just one coat of black. I was just in a hurry to see if it was going to work. I didn't want to invest a lot of energy in this if it wasn't going to work out. Anyway, that's all for now. Thanks.